Hi, Piper. Are you doing the carpet sweeping again? Well, that's really nice how you make the place look so good. No wonder the carpet looks so nice. Yeah, it's always very clean. Look at that. Yeah, we don't have to worry with you around. You do a lot of jobs at one time. You can watch stuff, do security, and sweep the carpet nicely at the same time. Yeah, you're always multitasking. I just love watching that tail. Yeah, they make clocks that look like that. But you don't look quite like a clock. No, no, you look more like a carpet sweeper. Oh, are you getting tired from all that hard work? Yeah, that's what it looks like. That's pretty exhausting to keep that tail going all the time, isn't it? Yeah, you sure do a lot around here. Yeah, I don't know what an office would do without someone like you around. Yeah, you don't even need a cleaning staff. Yeah, you cover it all, don't you? Yeah, I guess it's time for a break soon, isn't it? Oh, there she goes. Stretch. There. Okay.